Hello everyone, welcome to Web Magnet Hub. In today's session, we will discuss how to remove the duplicate data. Like here we have name, city, age and hobbies. So if you have large set of data, then you cannot find one by one that if uh, if the name John has come two times or three times, like here it comes John in the A6 cell or in the A2 cell also. Okay, so it is very difficult to find out. For this, let's highlight this first. Okay, we can go to conditional formatting option. You can click on home, then conditional formatting option appear here. Highlight cells rules, go to duplicate values. Okay, firstly let's select this. Okay, conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, duplicate values. If you choose duplicate here, then it will show duplicate option with the red filled color. Okay, if you choose unique value here, then it will show unique value with red fill color. Okay, you can choose the color here, it's totally up to you. I am choosing duplicate values, so duplicate values. Okay, so here you can see there are certain duplicate values here like John, Alice, Bob, and their cities, their age, and their hobbies also should be same. Okay, if John lives in New York and this John's in A6 cell Johns lives in, for example, it he lives in San Francisco, then it will not same. Okay, then it will not consider a duplicate. Okay, so it is mandatory that if John in A2 cell lives in New York, then John in A6 cells should also be live in New York. Age should be same 35, 35. Reading hobby. Okay. So city, age, hobbies, name should be same. And if the city like New York N is small or Y is small, it doesn't matter. Okay, it is also considered as duplicate data. But if we remove York from new and here it will kept as same, then it is considered it does not consider it as same data. Okay, okay. So these are my duplicate data. Okay, let's okay. So uh, we can also use if we want to remove this duplicate data. Previously, I have I had highlighted the duplicate data, and if you want to remove this, then go to data, remove duplicates. Okay, let's select this all. Remove. Click on remove duplicate option. Okay, here you have to tick the my data has header. Okay, if you do not click this, then it will not, then Excel will not consider this. Okay, name, city, age and hobbies. So you have to check this option, and if you want to uncheck this, like if I let me show you. Okay, uh, I have checked all the columns A, B, C and D. Okay, it is mandatory that you have to check all the columns. Okay, let's click on OK. Four duplicate values found and removed. 17 unique values remain. Note that count may include empty cell and spaces, etc. Okay, so Excel says that it also count the empty cells and spaces. So Excel says that here we have four duplicate values found and removed, and 17 unique values remain kept. Okay, so if we have if you remember that I have unchecked the name, city, age and hobbies in the header section. of the duplicate remove duplicate option in the remove duplicate option. Okay, so if we put this name in here, then it will also remove this section. Okay, then this is not considered as a header section. For this, let me just okay, let me just spray this one undo this. Let me show you once again. Select it, remove duplicate, then so it is important to check this. Okay, my data has header because your data have header. Header means the name, city, age, and hobbies. Click on OK because I want to. So here it the column shows as name, city, age, and hobbies. Previously, when we had used this option, it was showing as column A, column B, column C, and column D. Okay. Now, if we check this, it is shown as name, city, age, and hobbies. Click on OK. Then it is showing that four duplicate values found and removed, and we have 16 unique values which is kept here. Okay. Okay. So that's it for today's guys. I hope you like this session. If you have any doubt, please comment on and I will reply to it. Okay. Keep watching and keep learning. Thank you.